Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve. This is Single Mom's Life. And today we are going to do a little cleaning of the kitchen, which I really don't have much to do besides wipe down my counters and my stove and wash a few dishes. But the main thing I'm going to tackle today, y'all, is I'm for sure going to wipe down my refrigerator. And I am going to clean out my refrigerator, y'all. It is a nasty mess. And also, I'm going to straighten up everything that's in my freezer, as well as throw away whatever may need to be thrown away. But that's what we're doing today. So please stick around and pick any area in your home and clean with me. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean out the sink. And once the sink is clean, then I'm going to start running some water for my dishes. So while the water is running, I'm going to put away all of my dishes. So here I'm just cleaning off my countertop so I can wipe them down. So now I'm fixing to start washing the dishes, and y'all, I do have a dishwasher, but I prefer to go ahead and just wash my dishes by hand because it's so much easier to do that, but it is hell on my back. So I have finished washing and rinsing my dishes. Now I have moved over to the other side of my countertops, and I'm spraying those down and wiping them. And also I'm going to wipe down my stove. So I'm almost done cleaning my stove, and once that is done, I'm going to move over to the main attraction, which y'all do not want to miss, and that's cleaning my refrigerator. So we're moving over to the refrigerator, and I'm going to start by taking everything out of my refrigerator, and then we're going to clean this after everything is removed. So we have everything removed off of the sides. We got everything removed. And now we're going to get everything from the inside. And y'all, when I tell you my refrigerator is a mess, I mean it. It is disgusting. Okay, y'all. I got everything removed out of my refrigerator. Let's see if I can show y'all all of this. Do y'all see how disgusting my refrigerator look? I'm like, do you see? This is bad. Really bad. And I'm embarrassed to even show y'all this, but this is the real. And I'm showing y'all the real on what my refrigerator looks like. And yeah, that's broke right there. And this is why, and like this right here, like what the hell is that stain? That is crazy. Anyway, this is why we are cleaning this refrigerator today, because it needs it and it is nasty. And this is all the stuff that I pulled out of my refrigerator. And a lot of this stuff I will be throwing away, cleaning off, because some of this stuff it's just been in there for a long time and I need to get rid of it. But anyway, so let's get to cleaning. Okay, y'all, so I made me up some water. That way I won't have to keep running back and forth to the sink. And I'm going to use that water to clean off my shelves. And I did have my camera propped up, but for y'all to get a good view of what I'm looking at, yeah, I have to give y'all a close-up and hold this so y'all can see exactly the mess that I am looking at. So we're going to clean this top shelf off first. I'm going to spray it down with some stick and span to loosen some of that stuff up. And I'm going to go ahead and spray all of them. That way, whatever is sticky, it can go ahead and loosen up by the time I get down to it. Also, same thing for my side shelves. Now this one is broke. I really do need to take this one out, y'all, and I think I'm going to do that today. I'm going to go ahead and remove that one, so I'm not even going to worry about cleaning that one. Down here, and then y'all, what is this mess? I had some pickle juice, pickles down there on that end, on that last one, and I don't know where all that black stuff came from. I don't know, it dripped from somewhere or what. I have no idea what that crap is. But anyway, we gotta get that cleaned. So, and let me spray down this other one where I have my water, so we can go in and get that all loosened up as well. That way, by the time I get to it, it will be nice and loose for me to get up all that sticky stuff and stains and whatever's on it. Which makes it so much easier to get this clean once you actually spray it and loosen all the stuff up that's on top of it. I need to see if I can remove this glass off of this, and I don't think I can. I don't think the glass will come up. Just gotta get it done the best way we can, y'all. tear anything up because God knows I cannot afford to go and buy another refrigerator. These things are very, very expensive. We're getting it clean the best we can, considering I cannot take this glass off, and it's going to beep the whole time, y'all, because it lets you know if your refrigerator has been open for too long. So it sends you a little notification sound. I think this glass right here, this does kind of loose, so we're gonna move this glass, this over, this glass, if it comes up, and this, so we're gonna move all of this stuff right here to the sink to be washed. But anyway, let me go on and finish up cleaning the rest of the refrigerator part, and then we're gonna move over and clean this in the sink. But before we do that, we're gonna get these side containers, get those cleaned out. We've gotten that one clean. Now moving on down to this one. Okay, y'all, I forgot that them things, they come off, thankfully. So we're going to go ahead and wash this stuff up in the sink area, and then we're going to wipe this down, and then I'm going to take all of that stuff out, and then we're going to wash everything up. Do y'all see how dirty that water is? My refrigerator was disgusting, and I'm letting y'all in my refrigerator to see just how bad this shit looks, like for real. Okay, y'all, I am done cleaning my refrigerator out, and oh my gosh, y'all, that was more work than what I thought it was going to be, and I am sweating. Here's all the stuff that I took out that I'm going to put back in the refrigerator, and then here's all the stuff that I'm going to put back in my refrigerator. Not everything, but some of the stuff though. But anyway, I thought I was gonna do a freezer clean out today, but y'all, I think I'm gonna do this on another video, because after this was really a workout. So I'm going to do my freezer at a later day. But this is the first part. And it's done. And I'm going to put everything back in. So this is the containers placed back in the refrigerator. And my side containers placed back in the refrigerator. And I'm leaving that one off because it is cracked. So now we're going to go through all of my groceries, or go through all the food that I pulled out, see what I'm keeping and see what I'm throwing away. And then I'll put everything back in the refrigerator and I'll show you what that looks like. And the last thing we're going to clean is we're going to clean the refrigerator itself. So, remind y'all, I've already cleaned the inside. I have not put anything back yet. But that's what it looks like on the inside. And then I'm going to clean the outside. So I'm just going to spray it and then I'm going to wipe it down. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like once I get done. Okay, y'all. Got it all clean. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I did not know how much work this would be just cleaning out the refrigerator. Like, it is a lot of work. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get everything placed back in the refrigerator now. Okay, y'all, I am all done. I came in, I cleaned my counters, I washed the dishes I had along with some stuff I had in my refrigerator that I cleaned out. I wiped down my stove. But the biggest thing I did, y'all, was I cleaned out my refrigerator and I wiped down my refrigerator as well. It is so clean. So clean now. After cleaning it and putting everything back in it, it looks empty now, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to do a part 2, and I'm going to clean my freezer out. But we're not going to do that today because our sister is tired after doing all of this. So we're going to do a part 2, and we're going to actually clean the freezer out. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for supporting my channel. Please keep subscribing. Please keep leaving me the comments. Give me big thumbs up. And thank y'all so much. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.